Welcome viewers. This video is about installing Tomcat latest version. Okay, so I'll start with google.com and simply type in Tomcat download. Okay, so these are the links which you'll be getting upon the search, and then you find Tomcat apache.org. So click on the link, and then this is the home page of Apache Tomcat. Okay, now we are actually looking for Windows. I'm actually using it on Windows, so the best way to do it is to use the 32-bit/64-bit Windows service installer. This is the best way. What I choose, other options are there, zip files and then unzip and all, but I find this particular process to be very easy. Okay, so this is it, and then I'll simply click on the installer. And then if you look at it on the right hand top corner, it is already downloading, and this will take a few seconds, less than 30 seconds, and then 7.7 MB it is downloading, and total is 11.8 MB. So depending on your system's speed, it will download. Now it's simply downloaded. Now once it is downloaded, I'll open the file. Maybe the best way is to open the folder, so where you find the Apache Tomcat, and then it will ask for you to install. So there is a pop-up message on my screen. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll say yes. Okay, so once I say yes, look at this, it has started the installation setup. So this is very easy. So what you do is keep clicking on next, and there is an license agreement. You just scroll it down. You have to read it. If you have the patience to read it, please go through it, and then click on I agree. And then it will give a lot of options. Again, don't select any, so it's automatically done for you. So click on next, and the connection port, it says 8080. This is the default connector port, but if you want to change it, you may feel free to change it. So Tomcat 9, and also username and password. So for a few reasons, I will give it as admin and then admin, or you can simply leave it as it is. Okay, so automatically you will be logged in, but otherwise if you want some username and password, I have given admin, which is administrator, and also admin. Username and password are the same. Okay, and just make sure that I have given admin. Yeah, admin, and then click on next. Service already exists because I have this on my machine, so it is not allowing, and keep clicking on next, and next, and it will keep on installing.